On Facebook, you might have plenty of friends, but maybe some irritate you. Perhaps you are not fond of their posts, or maybe you have a strained relationship. Either way, you want to get rid of your Facebook friendship. In this video, we will show you how you can unfriend someone on Facebook. Facebook's unfriending feature is a fast and straightforward way to remove someone from your friend list, which is a bit stronger than unfollowing, yet less dramatic than blocking someone completely. Unfriending someone on Facebook means that person won't see posts you publish to your friends, and any direct messages will reach your inbox under message requests, where you can approve them before reading. How to unfriend someone on the Facebook app. Open the Facebook app and log in. Go to your profile and select Friends. To view the profile of the person you wish to unfriend, tap on their name. Select the Friends option from the top. Select Unfriend. Tap on Confirm to remove your friend from your friend list. How to unfriend someone on Facebook from a computer. Log in and open your profile on the Facebook website. To unfriend someone, we need to visit their Facebook profile. Click on the Friends options available below your profile picture. Choose the name of the person you want to unfriend to open their profile page. Click on the Friends button and choose the Unfriend option from the drop-down list. Lastly, click on the Confirm button to apply the changes. Note: even if you have unfriended a friend on Facebook, your public posts can still be seen and followed if you have enabled the option in your profile. We thank you for watching this video, and we welcome any comments you may have in the comments section below. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you won't miss the next post.